In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate a Microsoft Lists workflow with Power Automate. We'll walk through setting up a simple, reliable automation so your list can do routine work for you in the background. Start by opening Microsoft Lists and selecting the list you want to automate. It helps to think ahead about what should trigger your workflow and what outcome you expect, like notifying someone when a new item is added or updating a status when details change. Make sure you have permission to edit the list, and consider creating a test item so you can safely validate your flow later. With your list open, go to the Integrate menu at the top, choose Power Automate, and then select Create a Flow. This opens Power Automate in your browser, connected to the list you're working on. If you don't see the Integrate option, confirm you're using the web version of Lists and that you have the right access level. Next, decide whether to use a pre-built template or start from blank. Templates are great if you want something quick, like sending an email when a new item is created. They come pre-configured with the common pieces, and you just fill in the details. If your process is unique, start from blank to customize everything from the ground up. Now configure your trigger. A common choice is when an item is created or modified. Pick your site and list from the drop-downs so the flow listens to the correct place. If you only want to react to new items, choose when an item is created. If you care about changes too, use the Created or Modified option. This decision prevents unnecessary runs. Add your actions next. You might send an email that includes dynamic content from the list item, like title or due date. You can update the item to set a status, or create tasks in your preferred task tool. Use the Dynamic Content panel to pull in fields directly from the trigger, and if needed, add simple conditions to tailor what happens based on item values. Keep actions focused and readable so they're easy to maintain later. When you're ready, save the flow. Test it by creating or changing an item in your list to match your trigger. Watch the run history in Power Automate to confirm each step succeeded and to review any errors with clear details. If something doesn't look right, adjust the trigger or action settings and test again until it behaves as expected. That's it. With your flow saved and verified, your Microsoft list is now working for you automatically.